Hey, Vivid Imagination team, we're super excited to get the drone nets up and running. So today I'm going to walk you through exactly what you are going to use and see inside the Vivid Imagination drone soccer bag. First off, you will have your drone net. Okay, your drone net is about 10 by 6 by 10, and it will drape over the PVC pipe that we will also put into the bag that you will have at the school. You have about 20 pieces of 5 by 1 inch PVC pipe, and then you'll have several different extensions. So in your regular Vivid Imagination drone PVC drone netting, you'll have your couplings, you'll have your elbows, you'll have your cross couplings, and then you will also have 4 different extensions so you can actually make the drone net a little stronger. Typically, we'll just so we'll stay with the drone couplings and also the drone elbows. But if you need it additional, just let us know. We can definitely get that to you. The other items you'll have in your bag are the drone goals and the drone clips. Okay, and you can use those as you see fit. All together within the entire bag, we'll put all the PVC pipe, the nets, and couplings all together in a gray bag that's about 9 feet. That can actually have everything that you'll need for the actual class when it comes to the drones, except for the actual drone socket. So we're going to get started right now, and you're going to actually see how it's put together. Usually it'll take about 15 to 20 minutes your first time around. After that, it'll take about 5 to 10 minutes, especially if you're using other students. All right, let's get started. So right now, what we have laid out for you is exactly the way the drone soccer net is going to be put up with the PVC pipe. Right here, you have 2 extensions for the PVC pipe on each of the poles going up 10 feet. You have 2 that is actually going to be the top and the bottom. You have 4 on this side, another 4 on the other side. That will be the extensions across, including your couplings. And then you have the same thing on the other side, right? And so it's super simple, but it's easier to put together once you finally see what it looks like. We're going to add the couplings to each side. Now you're going to move this area that you already built out the way. Now we're going to do it all over again, and you'll see why in a second. Now we're going to turn it on its side. Now, when you stand it up, it will be a little loose, but that's okay. This is going to give you an opportunity to make sure that it's stronger whenever you actually turn it on its side for the final standing. Great time to just check angles and make sure that they're tight. Good. Now we're going to put everything together. final piece. So I'm going to take the knots on each of the corners while this is on the side. I'm going to wrap it underneath here so it's tightened. And take the clip and clip them in. It's each side. Take the wrap. You can either wrap it around here, bring it here, and clip it. Whatever's easier to do. So let's toggle to the side. So now that everything is already set up and ready to go, the last thing you're going to do is attach the drone soccer goals. And it's super easy to do. We're going to come right here, top of the net, and you can find a place that it's, you feel comfortable with. I usually try to do about 2 feet to 3 feet off of the base here, and then extension it and lock it down, and go and do the other one. Like I said before, about 2 feet away from the main pole. Makes it a lot easier. Now we're all locked in. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, great. So now we have it assembled. Now, the next part, you're going to need an extra hand. And it could be a student or a teacher. I prefer an adult that's inside the classroom, because what we're going to do now is we're going to take the structure from lying down to sitting upright. Okay? So usually what I could do is I could start at the bottom, having 2 hands at a time, and also raising it in the middle and bringing it up together. And you'll see what that looks like. So sometimes if you're sitting outside, you'll see that there's a lot of wind, and these things can blow any which way. So to minimize some of the pressure from the wind, we'll have extra clips in the bag so you can attach the clip to the actual side of the net. And so now we finally put everything together. And though it is not perfect, especially because of the wind, this is what the structure should finally look like. And here you have it, a structure for your inside the classroom drone soccer arenas. So this is the final product. Thank you so much. I look forward to seeing you fly.